everyone, welcome back to my channel Real Beauty. This is Roshni. Today I will show you 5 ways to use red sandalwood. I will show you the first face pack for acne, pimple, rashes, second pigmentation, third eczema and splinter, fourth dull and dry skin, fifth exfoliating skin. And thanks a lot those who are viewing my video first. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and switch the notification bell to all for latest update. And also watch the video till the end. So let's start. For the acne prone skin, I have taken neem leaves, yogurt and red sandalwood. First I will take little bit of normal water. With it I will crush the neem leaves. Then I will rub the sandalwood with them so that a thick paste is made. See, it is totally mixed. Now I will mix the paste with curd. Then stir it well. So finally my face pack ready for acne prone skin. So let's start applying. At first I clean my face with rose water. See, I have totally applied. See, it's totally dried after 20 minutes. Let me show you by washing it off. See how changed. Use it exactly like this. For pigmentation, I have taken raw milk, almond oil, saffron and sandalwood. First, I will grind the raw milk with little bit of saffron with a red sandalwood. See, my grinding is complete. Now I will mix it with almond oil. Then stir it well. So finally face mask is ready. Let's start applying. Wash it with normal water after totally dry. Next for eczema and blister, I have taken aloe vera, camphor and red sandalwood. First I will pour the aloe vera, next I will crush the camphor and with I will mix normal water and grind them all. So finally my pack is ready for curing eczema and blister. Let me show you by applying it on the hand. But you can use it everywhere you have eczema and blister. Leave it until dry. Then wash it away with normal water. For dry and dull skin, I have taken oats, honey and sandalwood. Now I will grind oats and sandalwood with little bit of water. Then I will mix honey with it. So finally my face pack is ready. Let's start applying. Applying is complete. After completely dried, I will wash it with normal water. Next for exfoliating, I have taken raw milk, lemon and red sandalwood. Squeeze the lemon. First I will grind the sandalwood with lemon juice. Grinding is complete. Next I will mix the raw milk. Mix it so to make a thick paste. So finally exfoliating face pack is ready. Let's start applying. If you do every day, you will get a glassy skin. Time to wrap up for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do so, like the video, please like, share and subscribe and press the notification bell to all for latest update. Always be well. Take care. Bye.